So hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be trying to fix my LG Wing. As you can see, this is my LG Wing, and I've been using this phone for a very long time. But the back on this phone has shattered, and I want to really do something new to this phone because I really love this device, and I've been holding on to this for a very long time. So online, I've seen a lot of people do mods on the back where they do a clear back mod, where they remove the paint of the back and they install it, so you can see the insides of the phone, more like a transparent mod, something which nothing does to their phones. So I really like that concept, and I would like to do that on my LG Wing. So as you can see, the back is shattered pretty bad, but all over the phone is in pretty good condition, where both the screens are okay and nothing else is broken on the device other than the back itself. And this back I've ordered from the maxbee.com. As you can see, it's in pretty good condition. If you want to replace just the back of the phone, you can just take out this sticker part, you can remove the shattered back, and you can just install it right away with no hassle at all. And it's a pretty straightforward repair. Considering the fact that I want to do a mod, there is a thin film of gradient which is stuck on the back. The color of the phone is given by this film, and as you can see, it's the black part inside is the film. If you remove the film, the glass which is going to be left is going to be the transparent glass, and on the phone you can very easily remove it. You just have to get a thin piece of metal or something, or anything sharp. You just put it in middle of the phone frame and the glass, and you just pry it apart. Best part about this is that no electronics or nothing you stick on the back of the glass, so it's going to be extremely easy for you to remove it. So this blue film which you see on the perimeter, that's the adhesive which is used to stick the back glass onto the frame of the mobile phone. It is extremely important to save this because it's very difficult to get the exact adhesive here in India. And I tried with multiple adhesives, liquid adhesive, tape of different sorts. It did not work very well for me. I was very impatient with this repair, that's why I ripped it apart. But it's extremely important for you to save it so you can reuse it later to stick the glass to the adhesive. A lot of audio sections of this video I've lost, so I'm voicing over it. But wherever possible, I'll just add the original audio. एडेसिव निकल चुका है. अभी मुझको सिर्फ इसका ये कलर्ड लेयर निकालना है. सो लेट मी ट्राई एंड गेट a thin piece of blade in middle of this, and we'll try and remove it. फाइनली एक एज निकल गया इसका. अभी इसका एक बेनिफिट ये है कि अगर आप IPA लो और उसके अंदर डाल देते हो थोड़ा सा, तो IPA पेनिट्रेट करके इसका एडेसिव लूज कर देगा, जिसकी वजह से इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर अस टू रिमूव दिस. लेट मी ट्राई दिस. सो फाइनली आई वाज एबल टू रिमूव दिस एडेसिव बैकिंग, जो कलर बैकिंग है, एंड ये क्लियर ग्लास है मेरे पास अभी. दिस लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल बाय द वे. If I put it here, oh, this is gonna look crazy good. But yes, अभी के लिए इसमें बहुत से एडेसिव के स्पॉट्स हैं जो मुझको रिमूव करने हैं. जो कैमरा का लेंस है वो यहाँ आकर के इंस्टॉल होगा, और फिर एडेसिव लगा करके आई विल पैक एवरीथिंग अप. सो this is the progress of the project. Let me get forward with it. So I just cleaned the glass, and look how beautiful it is. Oh my god, this is my actual phone, by the way. Like, I have removed the back. I'm installing a new back, and I removed all the color from it. Like, now this is gonna go something like this, and this is okay. In order to stick the glass back onto the frame, it is extremely important for you to clean the frame very well. You need to get rid of any sort of oil, dust, residue, anything which is there in the frame. This part especially is very prone to getting like dust collection because it's the edge where all sorts of fine dust particles and dirt get settled in. So here's a small cleaning montage. Enjoy. screen now completely. Okay, this is the first mistake I did with the repair. Never use the liquid adhesive for any sort of clear back mod because it gets smeared. As you can see in the picture, if you apply any sort of adhesive which is liquid, it will get all over the place. So you need to use a double-sided adhesive. I use the standard double-sided adhesive which I ordered from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Do not use it. It is of very bad quality and it will definitely not stick the glass onto the back. And I've realized one more thing. You need a specific thing called adhesive primer for sticking double-sided adhesive, which I did not use in this video, but if I get it in future, I'll just put it in the video. In this step, you need to apply adhesive or tape or whatever you're using all over the perimeter of the frame, and make sure on the edges you do not overlap adhesive because there's not enough space. So if you overlap a piece of tape on top of the other, it's definitely gonna build up more space there, so the glass is not gonna sit flush. So whatever adhesive layer you're using, you have to use it only once and like single layer, so it gets a even pressure applied all over, and it sits very well in the frame. So here I've applied adhesive. Make sure that do not trap any sort of dust in middle of the frame and adhesive. And after during this whole process, you need to make sure it's a dust-free environment so that nothing settles between the adhesive and the glass layer, because if it does, it's going to show up in the glass. It's a transparent piece of glass. Anything and everything which is under the glass is going to show up. So yeah, that's one thing to keep in mind. After applying, after adding the glass, just apply even pressure, apply some adhesive, some sort of tape, and you're good to go. As you can see, that glass did not work. This is a special kind of tape which is called a Tessa tape, which I used. I'll leave the link of this in the description as well. This was bit more better than the previous one, but this also did not work very well because I did not use the adhesive primer. In future, I'll put a video where I can demonstrate how adhesive primer exactly works and if it actually helped me in this case. Just add few pieces of tape to hold the glass to the frame. Um, Hold them tightly, tape it down. It's gonna stick. The adhesive is gonna take its time. I left it for 24 hours, after which it stuck really well for me. But eventually, it started giving out. So yeah, this is how the final outcome turned out to be. It looks amazing. The phone works perfectly fine the way it used to work. But I need to do few more things to this device, where I'm going to add MagSafe into the phone. I already have the magnets for it. I'll bring out a video soon for that. And yeah, the project in general turned out very well. Another thing which you need to make sure is that the device does not have any sort of IPX rating now. After doing any sort of mod with the back, the device loses all of its IPX ratings. So yeah, that's how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Seeking Rex signing out. We'll be back with another video soon. Bye bye. Thank you.